Good morning. We are on site here in Ambler today, replacing this door that you'll see behind me. This is actually the back of an office building here. So they are getting a brand new heavy duty ProVia Legacy Series steel door to replace the banged up door that they have in there right now. You'll see our installers are here getting ready to replace this door. But what we're gonna do is skip a little bit ahead and let's show you the finished product. And here's our finished product. This is a brand new ProVia Legacy Series steel door, all black, exterior, black on the interior, black hardware, black kick panel on the bottom. Really love this door, super sharp. These customers just had these black railings done, so this door matches perfectly. It's a half light with the glass, get a lot of light, see who's coming in and out. Came out wonderful. The customers are very happy. If you could see yourself with getting a door like this, we want to hear from you. Comment door in the comments below.